guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie Marie and I have some Etsy packages here from SaraMarie. And if you guys hear my cat eating in the background, I apologize. He's sitting right next to me munching on some lunch. So I did order some stuff off of Etsy from SaraMarie, which is her June kit. So I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys because I know some people don't like them, but some people do. I personally don't mind watching unboxing videos. I love unboxing videos, but if you guys would like to watch, please continue watching. So this is one I got first, and this one's the most heaviest. So this was my first order. So let's open this up. Okay. So she did release her June stickers. So let's open this up. If I can find the end to do so. Oh, it's on this side. Okay, let's see. So this is how it comes. I love how she puts it in size order. And then this is just my sheet showing what I ordered. So let's see. First off, I ordered her transaction log, and it's this really pretty green color, bluish green, I would say. And then it comes with one thin washi. Then I ordered her debt tracker, which is the same. It has the, this is the script sticker. Then I ordered debt tracker, which is the script sticker, as well as this one comes with two thin washies. Then I ordered her thin washi set, which is this really cute pattern, and it's got little gold details in it. I thought it was really pretty. And then we have this blue one and a striped one. I really loved this pattern. It's super cute. Then I ordered two of her thick washies in this same print. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I love the gold detail that she added in it. Then I ordered her weekly check-in because I didn't at first do the weekly check-in because I'm not gonna lie, I'm new to budgeting and I didn't quite understand how to do it. And I've been watching a lot of weekly check-ins and they've been using her kit as well as Ramina Rosa. She has her own weekly check-in kit as well, which I do have her no spend stickers. So I just thought maybe I will try it out. I believe I got it for her May kit as well. So these come with 6 thin washies. So for week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then you can total up all your categories and see from what you budgeted to what you spent, and if you were over or under, and then any notes that you have. Then I got the June monthly kit, and then you do get 2 extra thin washies to put at the bottom of the kit. I did get something new again that I wanted to try, and this is her June budget kit. So it comes with the script sticker that says June budget, and then you indicate what income you get, what you're going to estimate you're going to get, what you actually got, and then if you were under or over, and then you total up all of your income. And then you get to track your expenses, what you budgeted for, what you actually spent, and if you were under or over. Then you get to the 4th thin washi, where it's the total expenses. So you will indicate what you budgeted for, what you actually plus or minus. Then you have the valuable expenses and fixed expenses, which is new to me. I'm going to have to look how other people use this because I've never used a valuable expense budget as well as a fixed expense budget. So if you guys have any tips or tricks about valuable expenses and fixed expenses, I would really appreciate them in the comments below. Then you have 2 of the totals again, and then your total potential savings and what you actually saved. Then I just got this one the other day. This is the second order because I forgot to order something from the June kit, so I just purchased a new order and I just got this. So she's really quick to ship these out. So I just got 2 things this time. So this is my order. Since I have my sinking funds at some pretty decent numbers now, I decided that I wanted to track it. So I got the sinking fund script, and I'm going to just keep tabs on what I have in my sinking fund. So it comes with 2 thin washies, categories, beginning, what you added, what you might have taken out, and ending. And then since I got the sinking funds, I needed 1 more thick washi, so I just ordered 1 of these. And yeah, that was everything for her June kit. I did get more than I normally do, but I wanted to try the June budget as well as the weekly check-in sheet. So it's going to be interesting to see if I do good on this or if I flop. So if you guys, again, have any tips or tricks for the weekly check-in as well as the June budget, please leave them down in the comments and help your girl out. So yeah, that was everything for this sticker haul. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and that will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.